Ever wondered how an Amish home looks like? That's exactly what I did. I heard about their simple way of life, did some research, and decided to visit David and Sarah, an Amish couple who welcomed me with open arms. What I saw amazed me. 20 everyday things that power their lives, how they work, and why they matter. Let me show you. The house smelled like fresh bread and would smoke. Everything had a purpose. 1. Hand-stitched quilts, thick, colorful blankets sewn by hand. They're for warmth during cold winters and often passed down through generations. Handmade quilts last longer and hold deep family memories. 2. Wood-burning stove, a large cast-iron stove that cooks meals and heats the home. It's reliable and doesn't need electricity, only logs, which David splits himself. 3. Cast-iron pans, heavy pans that cook evenly and can last forever. They work perfectly over the stove and get better with age. Even without electricity, their evenings are bright and warm. 4. Oil lamps, glass lamps filled with kerosene and lit with a wick. They're easy to maintain and give a soft, warm glow. 5. Family photos, rare, simple portraits framed in wood. Photos are taken only on special occasions and hold precious memories. 6. Handwritten calendar, a paper calendar on the wall with dates and notes. It's a simple, reliable way to track events without needing technology. Sarah's kitchen is simple but efficient. 7. Homemade preserves, jars filled with jams, fruits, and pickles sealed tight by boiling. Preserves store well and provide food all winter. 8. Butter churn, a wooden barrel with a crank. Turning the crank turns cream into butter, fresh, natural, and delicious. 9. Root cellar, a cool underground storage space. It keeps food fresh naturally, like a refrigerator without power. Without modern plumbing, everything is manual but meaningful. 10. Family Bible, the centerpiece of their faith, read nightly for guidance. It brings the family together for reflection. 11. Hand pump sink, a metal pump that brings up water from a well. It's dependable and lasts longer than electric pumps. 12. Clothesline, a line stretched outdoors to dry laundry. Sun-dried clothes smell fresh and don't need power. David showed me how they get things done without machines. 13. Woodpile, stacks of logs split daily for the stove. It's renewable and keeps the house warm. 14. Hand-cranked coffee grinder, a small machine that grinds beans with a handle. It makes fresh coffee without needing power. 15. Herbal remedies, jars of dried herbs like chamomile and peppermint. These homemade remedies are natural and effective for common illnesses. 16. Cast iron kettle, a large pot for boiling water or making soups over an open fire. It's durable and heats evenly. Without screens, family time is creative and fun. 17. Wooden toys, dolls, puzzles, and blocks, all handmade. Simple but fun, they inspire creativity and last for years. 18. Foot pedal sewing machine, a sewing machine powered by foot. It's efficient, durable, and doesn't need electricity. 19. Wall pegs for clothes. Wooden pegs line the walls to hang clothes. Simple, space-saving, and easy to use. 20. Rocking chair, a sturdy chair that rocks gently. Perfect for relaxing or knitting by the fire. These items help the Amish live simply and efficiently without modern technology. Their tools are reliable, lasting generations with proper care. Food storage methods like preserves and root cellars reduce waste and ensure they have enough to eat through harsh winters. Their handmade items, from quilts to wooden toys, bring creativity and warmth to daily life. Natural remedies keep them healthy without relying on pharmacies, and manual tools like coffee grinders and sewing machines let them work without electricity. Everything they use is practical, durable, and deeply meaningful. The Amish way teaches us that simplicity can bring happiness. In a world full of distractions, taking time to connect with family, nature, and meaningful work is essential. Not every convenience leads to joy. Sometimes, slowing down brings the richest rewards. When I left, David gave me a loaf of homemade bread. Something to remember us by, he said. But I left with more than bread. I left with a deeper understanding of a life built on simplicity, hard work, and family. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Amish life, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories